Are you a manufacturer struggling to keep every part of your operations under control? Something needs to change, but it's hard to figure out which system can actually solve these challenges. With so many options out there, you need a solution that connects everything, gives you clarity, and keeps your operations running smoothly without adding more complexity. That's where Probiz ERP comes in, designed specifically for manufacturers to streamline operations and help you make smarter, faster decisions. Workflows run automatically. Production and inventory are visible in real time, and reports are ready whenever you need them. All your data stays secure, processes are seamlessly integrated, and the interface is easy for your team to use, so you can focus on running your business, not managing tools. If you'd like a simpler way to manage your operations, take a closer look at Probiz ERP. Request a demo today and see how it can help your manufacturing processes run smoothly.